Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to delete order history in Swiggy. Alright, so first up, go ahead and open up the Swiggy app. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, go ahead and go to the top right and tap on your profile or the profile icon. Okay, once you're in here, just make sure to log in, and in this section, you'll be able to see the order tab or order section. So what you'll do is just tap on it. Now go ahead and select the order you want to delete, then you'll basically see a 3 dots besides it. Okay, just tap on it and just tap on delete this order and confirm. Okay, another option is by contacting this Swiggy support. Okay, just go ahead over to swiggy.com/corporate/contact-us. Okay, now you'll be landed to the same exact page. As you can see here in the right panel, you have get in touch. So just basically enter your name, your email address that is tied to your Swiggy account, okay? Or if it's not, you can go ahead and let them know in the message area right here. Hi, I would like all of my order history deleted, okay? Or you can give the specific order ID. Then just go ahead and add in, this is my account name and my account ID. And then once that's done, just go ahead and click on submit right here and you're good to go. Also, you'll be able to email them by using this email of Swiggy. Okay, send them an email, let them know what you want, and then once done, wait for their reply. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.